Hello and welcome back to the 2021-2022 school year. I hope you have all had a wonderful and relaxing summer break, and I am looking forward to seeing all of you back here. To start off, I want to go over a few goals for the 2021-2022 school year. Goal number 1 will be to promote and support diversity, equity, and inclusion. Our hope is to engage in a systematic review and analysis of all policies, practices, operations, and curriculum and instruction to assess opportunities for the district to further promote diversity, inclusion, and equity. Our second goal will be to redesign internal and external communications. We will be auditing the communication structures, tools, and resources and approaches to develop strategies and coordinate a better plan for internal and external communications. Some important dates to remember. We have Back to School Night on Tuesday, September 19th. Our professional development days to start off the school year will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, August 27th, 28th, and 29th. Tuesday, November 3rd will be our fall professional development day, and Friday, January 19th will be our winter professional development day. Some important dates include the first day of school will be on Tuesday, September 1st. Remember to have your classroom set up by Friday, August 30th. That's when the final walkthroughs will be taking place. Freshman orientation will be on August 28th at 7 p.m. If you are interested in having a booth at the freshman orientation for your club or sport or activity, please email the Director of Activities by Monday, August 26th. Some other important information. Remember that lesson plans are due on Mondays at 8 a.m. via the Google Drive. Picture Day will be on September 20th, and picture makeups will be on September 22nd. After IDs have been issued, please enforce lanyard wearing. Please finalize emergency rosters by September 15th and your emergency lesson plans by September 12th. Please remember to contact home regularly. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you, and I again hope that you had a wonderful summer and you are ready for a positive and wonderful school year. Go Bears!